Wow, here we are, Fremont, California. It's never been a nicer day.
It's really nice.
You make it, we skate it. Go ahead and open this. I don't know how to do that.
I can't move the sun.
I'm not sure what's in here and I kind of want to punch it, but then I don't. Come on, you're almost there. Keep going. Wow. Wow, trucks and everything.
I punched right in the middle of that.
Clipboard. The Dirty Toes production. Braille skateboarding. You make it, we skate it. Wow, even this is gripped. Usually we don't use grip or 4 bolts. Wow, 2 bolts. Dear Lance, Aaron, and the Braille Army.
Lance?
We are a new channel to the YouTube community, and first and foremost, we would like to thank you for taking our submission. We at the Dirty Toes production present to you the Clipboard skateboard.
It's a lot of board.
R3DFAC3 and my wife, DJ Loverbox, were disabled in a DUI collision. A drunk ran a red light a few years ago, and shortly after, we were introduced to your show. Wow, I'm sorry to hear that. 2 years have passed, and my wife is unable to skateboard anymore. Terrible. So we decided to make a skateboard for you guys at Braille to skate it. After we made it, the board did take us quite some time to complete, and we filmed and edited the whole process. They are compiled into 4 videos that will be available on our channel by the time you receive this package. Here is the link to our channel.
Yeah, it's a lot of library.
Link in the description below.
We have 2 requests. 1, we want to watch you guys skate and enjoy this board, so smile. Fetty. Fetty's incapable of smiling.
Let's get a nice smile, Nigel.
2, Fetty must do a no slide, please and thank you. This board is made with...
what font that is. I have the coolest font in the whole page.
You're the coolest font in the whole page. This board is made with 1 clipboard and 2 plywood planks with trucks and hardware graciously donated by Edgard with a D. Shout out to our boy. Shout out Edgard with a D. For making our board a complete setup for Braille Army to enjoy. We also included a hook for you to hang up the board if it survives your extreme skateboarding extravaganza. The bottom of the board is sealed with Never Wet to preserve the artwork. Wow, they like really took this to the extremes. That is actually really cool artwork.
Right? Says Braille.
We're gonna need to make a t-shirt out of that.
Okay, hold up. We need an axe in the warehouse.
Feel free to test it out with the little white box there. Are keychains for Lance and Aaron, also sprayed with Never Wet. What is Never Wet? Wow.
Well, I guess I'm Lance.
Go ahead and lick it, see if it's never wet. They have Braille spelled out in Braille lettering with Lance's name on the back of one and Aaron's name on the back of the other. How will we know which is which? Wait, hold on. Lance.
No, you're really good at that.
Does it? How do you know? Oh. Let me try that again. Aaron. Sorry we couldn't make one for everyone else. Like
It's okay.
People here. Please enjoy and can't wait to watch you guys skate
cat.
the Clipboard skateboard. All right, well apparently this has some thing on it called Never Wet and it never gets wet. So we're gonna see if we can get it wet.
Whoa!
Cats would love
so
this.
So weird.
That looks awesome.
Look at that though.
It's like a Beyblade but water.
Wow.
That was the most exciting thing I've ever experienced in my entire existence. We should just cover our entire bodies in Never Wet. Is that safe?
Taking a bath with Never Wet?
So they specifically sent us this because they wanted to push the message of do not drive while intoxicated. Do not drive under the influence. That is extremely not safe. You can get hit, you can hit others. So please, do not drive while under the influence ever. Now we're gonna skate this.
All right, let's take it for a run.
Here, this is what I wanted to do.
Oh, no.
Oh, the trucks are tight. The trucks are really tight. No turning allowed. There's no way Fetty's gonna no slide this. I think this should classify as one of the most dangerous boards in Braille history. Kickflip off? Oh, can you do kickflip? Oh, I think you can kickflip.
McNugget, get in here.
Oh! I think you should rebate that.
This extra grip clip.
For the forward flips.
Oh.
Here.
Oh. Wow. I gotta really plan this out here. So let's see. The pop is like right there, huh?
Vertical.
Man, this is scary. What do you give me first try?
You already tried, so this won't be first try.
I did not try, Fetty. That was not a try. It's one practice step. Seriously gonna land this stuff, Fetty. You ready? Oh! Was that a land?
No.
I can't kickflip.
Fetty can only tray flip. Oh,
You got such a flick.
Yeah, I don't know how you do that. It's easier to flick out than
that
down.
lack of... Fetty!
Yeah, pop off that side now.
For my gram. For my gram.
So it doesn't really...
Oh! Wow. Fetty!
Oh, hard flip.
Alright, we're all just gonna try our own trick and whoever lands.
I thought we were confined to doing kickflips.
It's a kickflip off? Thank you.
Kickflips don't work, so.
Dang, seagulls.
Wow.
What?
Inward double hard flip, heel flip, late shove.
Oh.
We're about to get a lot of clips on this board.
Oh! Textbook flip for school. Oh! Why?
See? I can't kickflip.
What? Is that a ghetto bird?
Yes, it was.
Get his
Well, I
back,
think
get
he
his back.
officially won the kickflip off.
Get his back, Aaron. Get his back. Oh!
Let me go again. Let me go again.
Dang it.
Just get it, man. Just
All right.
get it.
Skateboarding Made Simple, Volume 1.
Yeah.
Oh!
Clipboard made simple.
That was so clean.
Come on, Fetty. This is Skate Crunch right here.
I finally did a kickflip.
Where's Carlos? This board is perfect size for him.
Scoop where?
Remember, you have to nose slide. Yeah, you got that. There's a nose.
Oh my god.
Fetty, get the clip.
There you go. See?
He did this on a spoon.
Oh!
You got this. And then straight to the 7 stair.
Oh!
You threw me off. I found the foot placement.
Yeah.
Oh! Right here, 20 bucks. Wow! Wow. Oh! You have this. Don't give up. We believe in you.
It's lost the ability to clip. Now it is just a board.
No, it
Oh
hasn't.
no.
I could get the clip because I could still clip.
No!
Oh!
You should have came and held me
Say
up.
the battery died and cut.
Ow.
Oh! Wow!
I don't even know what that was.
You got it, Lord Fetty.
Thanks.
Wow!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, now you got no slide.
Alright.
You, on record, said this wasn't possible.
Wasn't possible?
Yeah.
No, I said it's possible. Possible. See? Clearly possible.
I stand corrected. It's like a sprained ankle ready to happen.
Yeah, but not for him. He's a circus freak. Oh.
Oh!
Nothing better than a good splits.
What are you doing?
A little commitment, Fetty, please, and thank you.
For the record, Fetty would have landed this on our hub at first try.
It's true. We haven't seen the sun in months. and
Seriously,
here
I'm
we
like
are.
a vampire.
Oh! Hey, Fetty, you're so fun. You're so fun. You blow my mind. Hey, Fetty. Hey, Fetty.
Hey, how about you cut that out?
Oh! He always does this. He comes so close, but just doesn't quite pull through in the end. Fetty, we believe in you.
What in the world?
Yeah, I got a neck tap.
Oh! Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Who's gonna ollie the 5? Hey, Luke.
Luke.
We got something for you because you're still in school, and we know that you use these a lot in school. Go ahead.
What is this?
Ollie the 5.
What? Oh, did Fetty just nose slide?
Yeah.
And tray flip, and a hard flip revert, and kick flip. And what do you got?
No.
Nothing? I thought you were in school.
I don't know what you want me to do.
We want you to ollie it. We already said.
Oh, get it, Aaron. Yeah.
First try.
Oh my good lord.
No, this is sketch.
Oh, you got it. Oh! Yeah, you got it.
Oh my god.
Someone help him.
I'm super scared actually.
This is so romantic.
Aw.
Nope.
It's that never wet, dude.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't slide.
Fetty is like, yeah, I'm done with this video.
If you land that, Fetty, we will clap for you.
He actually did, yeah. Oh!
Wowzer. No way.
Dude. Oh! What?
Cut it out.
Oh no.
Oh, I like it.
Titanic,
First try, Nigel. Hey, honestly, I can't believe you did that. Oh! That counts.
I'm gonna try to roll in.
Oh my god. Oh.
That's all I got.
That was great. Thank you, my friend.
Huge thanks for sending us this incredible creation. Your guys' creativity never ceases to amaze me. If you have something to send us an emailed photo of it. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll check it out. We'll take your guys' submission. You guys rule. Please learn how to skateboard. Click right here to go to all of the other playlists. You guys will have a blast watching all the other videos in the series. And then right here for brailleskateboarding.com, your resource for anything skateboard related. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, leave that comment below.